everybody, welcome to my first What's for Dinner video. Tonight is Monday and we had beef vegetable soup and we've already eaten. It's got some big chunks of beef in there. We've got all sorts of veggies in there, and what this kind of meal is good for is cleaning out your fridge, freezer, pantry, something like that. You can throw all kinds of things in your vegetable soup. So we've already eaten, like I said, and we're going to have enough for leftovers for lunch, dinner, however we choose to eat up the rest of this soup. And I just want to show you this kettle. This was my mom's, one of the first kettle sets I think that she had, maybe not one of the first, but she cooked in this when I was little, and now she's given it to me and I cook in it. So that's super fun to have. So it kind of brings back memories every time I use it. So anyway, I will show you the rest of this week, what we end up having for dinner. Alright, here's a look at what's for dinner tonight. We have hoisin salmon, calamari, fried okra, shrimp poppers, and pickles, like fried pickles, only they're baked, and really ginormous shrimp cocktail and sauce, salad toppings, and baked potatoes and baked potato toppings. So that is what we are having for dinner tonight. Alright, here's another look at what's for dinner. The plate is steaming hot, as you can tell, the food is. This is Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, and French style steamed and slightly fried green beans. I used Kimmy's recipe from She's in Her Apron and modified it just a little bit, the gravy portion. So excited to try this. It sure does look good. Hi guys, here's a look at what's for dinner tonight. I have, the lighting is really weird right now, but it's a southern fried chicken salad. So I have some strips of boneless, skinless chicken breast that I put a little flour on, some seasoning, and fried it up on romaine lettuce with all the toppings, French dressing a little bit, and some light Olive Garden Italian, a little bit of that, some veggies under there. And that's a look at what's for dinner. Have a very easy recipe here. It's our first time to try it. Not even sure if we're going to like it, but we love everything that's in it, so I think we will. This is called Pesto Ranch chicken in the crock pot. And so you can see I already have mine in there. I actually have frozen chicken breasts. You top it with jarred pesto. And I used half because the original recipe calls for double the chicken. So 3 chicken breasts. Used half the jar of the pesto. Spread that on the top. And then I used half a package of the dry ranch. And the recipe calls for the full. So I used half a package. Sprinkle that on top. And then the last ingredient is this chicken flavored soup base. It calls for broth. This is what I use, and do my own broth if I haven't made it from scratch. So I used a teaspoon with 8 ounces of water, stirred that around and poured it in. It will all cook together and be perfect, I'm sure. So I'm getting ready to put my lid on, put it in the crock pot. I think it is on high 3 to 4 hours, on low 6 to 8 hours, something like that. And we will give this a shot. So here we go. You guys, I just made for the first time homemade clam chowder, and look at this. Oh my goodness, look at the clams in there, the celery, the onions, and look how rich it looks. Yum! Super excited. Hope this is good.